Hello, guys. It's a pleasure to be here with you again. Today, we are going to continue with the topic of security at work. Specifically, we are going to continue with the security equipment, a very important topic, especially if you are going to work in a company, a big company, right? Here we have some safety equipment that maybe we are going to use in our company, or maybe you are familiar with some of them. For example, we have the helmet, we have here this one, the overall, and we want many types of equipment that maybe you are going to wear or to use, right, during your work. Okay, let's continue with the first one. Here we have this one. This one is called the helmet. That's is important. We have here, this is very common, especially who ride a motorcycle. And also, maybe you are familiar with this. Maybe we can find this kind of helmet in constructions, buildings. People usually wear this. It protects my head, or sometimes it protects my bones, and also the skull. And well, we are going to use of this. I wear a helmet to protect my head. We are going to use this kind of statements to refer to the different parts, the parts that in this case the security equipment protects. Okay, it protects my head. Eso protege mi cabeza. En este caso también los huesos o el cráneo. I wear a helmet to protect my head. Yo uso un casco para proteger mi cabeza. Recuerden que utilizamos el wear cuando nos referimos a cosas que nosotros utilizamos como ropa, accesorios que tenemos que ponernos, ¿verdad?, a nuestro cuerpo. La diferencia con use, right? Que use es, por ejemplo, usar, pero cuando utilizamos, qué sé yo, una computadora, utilizamos el teléfono. Cuando nos ponemos algo encima, when we put some clothes on, we use it wear. Okay, we have here the colors of the different helmets. Maybe you are going to find them in the industry. For example, white is for engineers, managers, supervisors, and foremen. Also we have the blue here for electricians, carpenters, and other technical operators. This one's pretty important, yes. It's for firefighters. Green for safety officers. Gray for site visitors. For laborers and earth moving operators. In brown, we have the welders and workers with high heat application. Right, they're very common. Actually, maybe you already are familiar with this, right? The yellow, eso es para los trabajadores y los operadores que remueven tierra, right? You usually wear this, right? And the red for the firefighters is very common, right? To see that with the firefighters. And the white, the boss, right? Maybe. Okay, let's continue. The face shield, maybe you are very familiar with this because actually for the COVID-19, there's very use. People usually wear this kind of equipment, right? It protects your face, nose, eyes, chin, skin, forehead, mouth, etc. And also I wear a face shield to protect my face. Right? Maybe this is made of plastic. This one is a little sophisticated, and maybe this one is the most common one, right? We can find this maybe in hospitals. We can find this in the industry, right? In big factories, we can find this kind of face shield. And this one is, like you can see, it protects on the face, right? The idea is to protect the face, your face. Well, the apron, it have a special use. It protects my skin, right? You can see the skin, especially also protect maybe sometimes your chest, right? Your chest, your body. That's right, especially here, right? Your stomach, your heart, and many parts of the body protects it, right? This one maybe this pretty used in a butcher shop. And I wear an apron to protect my skin. Okay, got it. Let's continue with the next one. We have here the globes. The globe, we have many kinds of globes here, right? This one is used when you ride a motorcycle. This one is when you are working with machinery or in a construction site. This one, the lattice globes, and this one is another kind of globes that we can find it in construction sites. It protects your hand, fingers, nails, skin, bones, and wrist. The wrist is this part here, right? You don't remember? And I wear gloves to protect my hand, right? Your hand, also your fingers, right? Bones in general, nails, and skin. Safety shoes or boots. We have this. There are many. Usually we have here of this part made of iron, right? And it protects your feet or toes. I wear safety shoes to protect my toes, right? Okay, let's continue. Also here we have the safety glasses or security goggles, right? We have this, right? This one are the goggles, this and this, and this one is the safety glasses. It protects your eyes, and I wear safety glasses to protect my eyes. That's the main function of the safety glasses or security goggles, right? Earplugs and earmuffs. Here, well, these one are the earplugs. You can see this a bit different between the earmuffs. The earmuffs usually cover all your ear, right? And they are usually big, right? Are bigger than the earplugs. It protects your ears, and also I wear earplugs to protect my ears, right? Your ears. Especially in places where there are a lot of noise, mucho ruido, right? Cuando hay mucho ruido utilizamos generalmente este tipo de implemento, ¿verdad? Dust mask and respirator. It protects your nose, and I wear a dust mask to protect my nose. This one is just very, very sophisticated here. This one is very normal. Maybe this one is cheaper than this one. And we have the respirators. You can see there's a big difference between the respirator and the dust mask. Maybe the main difference is the filter here, right? This kind of filter. El filtro de aire que está acá. Right? This is the big difference between a dust mask and respirator. The dust mask is simpler, right, than the respirator. There is the main difference. Also, well, the best is when we have with yellow color usually, right? Or we have another ones that protects usually your body, right? Your whole body. Okay, we have going to summary the different equipment. Here we have the protective helmet. We have here the earplugs. In this case, the clothes, at least we have the vest, the safety gloves, protective boots, and the dust mask. And finally, we are going to see here the symbols that we can find in the industry, right? These one are the symbols that represents that you need or you have to wear. That's right, this scale, the security equipments. For example, this means that you have to use the boots. Here, your vest. Here, the dust mask is mandatory to use that. Also, key the safety glasses, the ear muffs, the gloves, and obviously the helmet. Yes, we have here the drawings that represents that. Then remember how to pronounce it down. We have here the ear muffs. We have here the gloves, safety glasses, dust mask, and the boots, safety boots. Okay, guys, thank you very much for your attention and have a nice day. Thank you very much.